how to install Intel on a Linux machine. It's simple and straightforward if you are familiar with using Linux. So I will assume that you are a Linux expert and you're a Linux user. So in case you want to do a patching update on Linux, I will recommend, if you are used to Unix, I'll assume you're a Linux expert. So I would say go to the App Center on Linux, and at the bottom it says Manage. You can see Manage at the bottom there. All you gotta do is click on Manage and then check for updates. Once you check for updates, it will tell you if you have any updates that are pending, and you can update from there. And this is for Linux users, because this video is predominantly for Ubuntu Linux users and Fedora users, just to guide them quickly. And secondly, after you've done that, then you go to the terminal, and on the terminal you will type the command ls cpu, and then it tells you the CPU version type that you're using. It tells you that you are using a genuine Intel, and you can see that I have a genuine Intel being shown here. It's clearly specified as a genuine Intel CPU, and it's been recognized by the system, and you can see that's all fine. If you are not using a genuine Intel, it will tell you that you're not using a genuine Intel. Then you know you need a new PC to stay safe. Okay. And secondly, and this is a terminal, and you can then type in the following command on the terminal: sudo app install intel-microcode. And if you're using a Linux Ubuntu, you can type in sudo app install intel-microcode. And once you've done that, it will do the reading, check for dependencies, give you the state of your machine, saying that you're using the latest version, and tell you the version type that you're using. And it will give you, if there is any update, it says one is to upgrade, then you do the upgrade. And I will show you on the next video how to do the upgrade. And that's how you do it, basically. And simple as that. Just go to the terminal, log in, run as administrator, go to the sudo su command, and then you should be able to run this. Before you do that, first check your, like I showed you in the first video, check your version. If it says they're using a genuine latest version, that's fine. You don't need to worry. Then what you do is do a sudo app install intel-microcode, and this will tell you if you're using the latest version. If you're using Ubuntu, and these are the commands that you need, sudo app update, it gives you the update option, and then you do the update, and then you have sudo app install intel-microcode, and it does the microcode update. Or sudo, once you've done that, then you reboot your machine. Sudo app reboot, it restarts your machine. If you're using Fedora-based systems or CentOS, I would recommend basically following the command, because it's more genuine. There is an old version and the latest version. The latest version, all you do is type in sudo dnf install microcode _ctl and hit enter, and it will do the update. Or if you're using the older version of Fedora, you can use yum install microcode _ctl. Once you've done this, then you reboot your machine. This is for Linux users and Fedora users, just to guide you quickly if you're using any of these systems. And thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.